Hey guys, what's going on? So today we are going to talk about 5 reasons that Milwaukee makes some of the best battery power tools on the market. But before that, if you do me a huge favor and like this video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything like this. Or this.
On 3!
Anyway, you guys, so 5 reasons that Milwaukee makes some of the best power tools, brought to you by a technician. So this is going to be very opinion based, but also this is based on a lot of real world experience. I'm going to tell you how long I've had the tools, and we're going to go over 5 reasons why they make some awesome tools. The first one is going to be warranty and customer service. So the Milwaukee power tools, all of which I have out here, and one knockoff, which we will get to, but they have a 5-year warranty, which is the best in the business right now. Most companies offer a 2 or 3 year warranty, and the batteries have a separate warranty. Milwaukee offers a 5-year warranty. I've personally spent about $4,000 on Milwaukee tools. This is probably about half of what I have. The other half is at home in my garage, just from tinkering on random projects. But I had a little story for you. So if I grab my Milwaukee vice grips, now I know this is about power tools, but this actually has a lifetime warranty, and I was able to call, as you would imagine, you don't buy this through a vendor and the store doesn't deal with the warranties. I called Milwaukee. It was kind of a hassle, but they ended up just sending me these Milwaukee vice grips for free. They just sent me a new set because they didn't know how exactly to warranty it. So first on my list has got to be the customer service and the warranty. So number 2 on my list is going to be versatility. And what I mean by that is Milwaukee, you can get just about any tool you can imagine. There's a grease gun, there's a soldering iron, which I just got. So shout out to Tool Junkies on Facebook. They do these awesome tool waffles where you can actually win stuff. So I won the soldering iron kit for like 20 bucks. So go check them out on Facebook. Shout out to Rick Roberts. Thanks for all that you do. Anyway, like I said, they create a lot of different tools. We got battery powered ratchets, and honestly I don't know what I ever did without these, because I don't have to drag around a hose. It's just as small on the brushed version. The fuel version is a little bit bigger, beefier, but you got 65 foot-pounds, so it completely eliminates the need for an air compressor. And this M12 stuff, like I said, anything you want you can get. I have a die grinder, I have a hacksaw, Milwaukee Sawzall, that runs on M12 batteries as well, so there's just like a tool for everything. As far as having a huge arsenal to choose from, Milwaukee, in my opinion, and the proof is in the pudding, go look it up, they have just about everything. They kind of blow every other company out of the water at this point in time. So that's going to be number 2 on my list, is the versatility of their tool lineup. Number 3 on my list, and probably what you're most interested to know, is the durability of these tools. All these tools right here, my ratchets, my Sawzall, and especially my impact. So I'm going to pick this one up. You can tell they get used and abused. Look at how beat up that thing is. Both my M12 3/8 and my big boy right here, and this thing is a beast. There actually only today was the first bolt I've ever had in 4 years of having this that I could not get out, and it was Loctited in, and that bolt was about 4 inches long. This actually is a replacement. This is the newest one, 1,400 foot-pounds of torque in this guy. And again, this thing, I mean, it's really heavy, and it's fallen off a hoist at about 8 feet in the air, and perfectly fine. I mean, it gets bumps, scratches, bruises, stuff like that, but this stuff is built really, really well. You pay for it, it's expensive, but in comparison, I did a video on this off-brand, literally a Milwaukee clone that I got off Wish for 25 bucks. This one that I've had for about 6 years now was $85 bare tool, I believe, and it still works perfectly fine. You can see it's beat up. I mean, this thing is used and abused. This knockoff one, it actually, the head stripped out, the gear in there, I'd imagine, because when you pull the trigger, it makes a lot of noise, but it doesn't turn. And this is only about a month old at 25 bucks. So that's kind of pathetic. You know where this thing belongs? Actually, we're gonna do it right now. Right in the trash. Goodbye, see you later. Now mine have fallen, like I said, they've also been submersed in fluids and oils, work perfectly fine. And if they don't, you have that 5-year warranty backing you up. So that's gonna cover number 3, is the durability of these tools. Number 4 on my list is going to be the power that these things have. Batteries, especially their fuel brushless series, has come so far, you guys. I remember being a kid, lithium ion wasn't really a thing, NiCad batteries, the tools were bulky and there wasn't that much power. Like I said, 1,400 foot-pounds out of this guy. Believe it or not, I also have the biggest, baddest half-inch pneumatic impact that Mac makes right now. This thing was about $600, and this Milwaukee guy will actually take more bolts off that this won't. Like I said, the first time I couldn't get a bolt out with that was today on this, and that's because it was a control arm bolt that was seized into the bushing. $600 for a pneumatic air gun, and this thing is awesome. It has a ton of power, and battery power actually has more power than this gun does, which is absolutely incredible. Switching gears a little bit, if we talk about the 3/8 model, I've actually put an adapter on here and taken lug nuts off with a 12-volt 3/8 impact. It didn't like it, it struggled, I'm not gonna lie, it's not what this is for, but these things have a ton of power. So that is gonna wrap up number 4 on my list, which is going to be the power that Milwaukee tools have. The 5th and final thing that I wanna talk about in this arsenal of Milwaukee tools, we're gonna specifically talk about the M12 line, which is the smaller stuff such as these ratchets, that 3/8. The M18 is going to be the larger stuff such as the half-inch impact, but they can fit in so many tight spots because the battery, for example on the ratchets, fits right in the handle and it's the exact same size. I'll put one in there so you can see what I'm talking about. Just like that, the battery conforms to the size of the handle, so you can fit this in a lot of spots, whereas various competitors, Makita for one, I'm gonna pick on them, not bad tools, but their ratchet, the battery is just about as big as this. So that kind of defeats the purpose of having a battery powered ratchet because you can't fit it in as many tight spots. I could not tell you how many times I fit the ratchets into super ridiculous areas, and it's worked just fine for me. So number 5 and the final thing on my list is going to be the size of particularly the M12 line. It's absolutely incredible. The power they are able to get with the size of the tools. So you guys, that wraps up my 5 reasons Milwaukee makes some of the best power tools on the market. I hope this helps you out, you guys. I've had all these tools for a number of years. Like I said, that ratchet is about 6 years old. So you guys, with that, I want to tell you that we are starting the mini build series on the Celica. Lots of bolt-on shiny parts. I went a little crazy and I have literally like 10 packages of parts coming to my house. So be ready for the episodes of the Celica. I'll drop a picture of her right here. So you definitely don't want to miss any of that. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe down below, like, comment, leave me a comment. I am thinking about doing monthly mystery boxes. So it'll be tool-related, car-related stuff that I will send to somebody that comments on the videos. We'll do that once a month, and like I said, mystery box. You guys see what you're gonna get. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.